Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some Chinese phrase when you check in at the airport. Let's check today's video. If you have seat preference, you can say, 可以请你帮我安排靠走道的座位吗？可以请你帮我安排靠走道的座位吗？ Can I have an aisle seat? 可以请你帮我安排靠走道的座位吗？可以请你帮我安排靠窗的座位吗？可以请你帮我安排靠窗的座位吗？ Can I have a window seat? 可以请你帮我安排靠窗的座位吗？请问还有逃生门的座位吗？请问还有逃生门的座位吗？ Is there exit row seat left? 请问还有逃生门的座位吗？ And then, if you're not sure your suitcase can be on board or not, you can say, 请问这个行李需要托运吗？请问这个行李需要托运吗？ Can I take this as a carry-on? 请问这个行李需要托运吗？ Last one. If you cannot find your boarding gate, you can say, 不好意思，请问17号登机门在哪里？不好意思，请问17号登机门在哪里？不好意思 means excuse me. 不好意思。登机门 means boarding gate. 登机门。不好意思，请问17号登机门在哪里？那么今天的单字和句子你都学会了吗？
Gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, I let my worries fade. Let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow